What's going on, and welcome to Oil and Gears. Today we're back finally. It's been a crazy month, lots of vacation and family time and whatnot, so we're gonna get back to the build here for the second gen. So what we're gonna do today is gonna put the brackets on the front end of the car for the bumper, new brackets, and new brackets on the back end of the bumper. Also, what I'm doing as well is we're taking these inserts off of the front part of the Ken style here. I don't know if you've seen the pictures on my Instagram. Go check them out at Oil and Gears. And so it's held by double-sided tape. So taking them off, and the point is that we're gonna take these, that way the daylight running lights or the daytime running lights will be able to be shown. So we're going to add those, and those are only on the 2013 through the 15 Scion XBs. And we're going to change it up a little bit. We're going to do something different. I'm also playing with the idea of putting LED on the inside of these. That way, whenever I use the blinker, it shines yellow or orange, whatever the blinker is, a yellow, orange, either or. Do that. So that's an idea. So I think we're gonna do that. So these are primered. We got new front and back bumpers. Those will be painted. So we'll put all that stuff back on. I don't know, we'll put everything on today, but we will be putting the brackets on for sure. And then I have miscellaneous things to do as well. So let's get to it. All right, so what I did was I used the heat gun here, and there's 4 parts to it. So there's double-sided tape here, there's double-sided tape here, here, and here. So little by little, just did a heat gun, heated it up, and then pulled, and eventually comes off like that. So as you can see, all the double-sided tape, that's what holds it in here. See, there you go. So again, what I want to do is leave it exposed. We'll add some daylight running lights, and then you'll be able to see them. Just make the car look a little bit different. All right, so as you can see here, I have one there. Then this one goes on here. All right, so as you can see here, so this is what it would look like. Obviously, everything would be painted the voodoo blue like that. Bumper, Ken style kit. It's exposed, so this would go here if we had it on there, but I want to keep it exposed. And then what I'm thinking about doing is putting the daylight running lights, like the 2013s through 15s here, and then underneath here putting LEDs. That way whenever I turn the blinker on, you'll be able to see it flash there. What do you guys think? Comment down below, let me know. But this is the process here and here, keeping it exposed just like that. I've only seen it done a couple times, and I like the way it looks, so we'll do that. Alright, so if you look at the new bumper and the Ken style kit, you notice there's extra holes here and here, and the new bumper does not have those holes. So what I'm going to have to do is drill them before we go into paint. So we'll do that on both sides. So these are the little clips that were on the original bumper. And just use that as a guide for the drill. Now we'll do that on the other side. All right, so there you have it. We've done a couple of things to get the car ready for paint. Last thing I need to do is add the bumpers to the car. That way I can drive it over to the paint shop. Now, one other thing that I had that other people have done is this is the front lower grille here. And I went to the junkyard, and for whatever reason, I was looking for this part because I was trying to make a front grill for the first gen, and I found the broken piece to a 2012 release series, and it was in bad shape. They had discarded it, and I found it like 10 feet away from the car. But I picked it up and I brought it. Didn't know I was getting a second gen. So we're gonna try to put this here, like that. I'll probably take the lettering off and just put it on here. Make it a little bit different. It won't have the honeycomb, but it'll have this here as well. So another thing that I'm going to do that I did to the first gen was add the Scion TC steering wheel. I like this steering wheel because it's got the D shape of the wheel there. It's a little bit more sportier, and I actually got this for a really good deal. All the wiring is there. The airbag came with it, and again, I checked to make sure this wasn't a recall or the airbag wasn't defective or anything like that. And the only problem with this is that I need to paint here. So I did sand it down a little bit, and I think I'm going to use like a metallic pen to do it, or I might just tape everything around it and do like a chrome spray paint or something. I don't know yet, but I have to redo that. As you can see, it was chipped. I found it on Marketplace from a nearby junkyard, and I got it for 150 bucks for both airbag, steering wheel. Came off a red TC. Got it. We'll put this in the Gen 2. I'll have a video on how to do that as well, and hooking up these buttons to the Gen 2 release series. So we'll do that later on in the future. So like, comment, share, subscribe. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, @oilandgears. See you on the flip side. Peace.